What up, guys? All right, so we're headed on our first hike of the year. January 5th, so it's gonna be kind of a cold one, but we got everybody all bundled up back here. You ready to go, Kens? What about you, Kaylin?
Yes.
Addie?
Yes.
All righty. So it's gonna be a cold one, but we'll be bundled up, so bear with us. So it looks like we're gonna do the Bluffton University Nature Preserve Trail. This trail looks like it has a swinging bridge on it. It's probably getting pretty icy today. You guys excited to try to walk across the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay. This place is actually pretty cool. So
Wow.
looks like they have an entire pond out back, open to all university students and the public. They do catch and release here, all kinds of different outdoor activities, swimming. They have a nature preserve right there, which I'm assuming they just put on different activities and teach kids about nature. So this place is pretty sweet, and we'll go check out the trail. Taking a quick break right by the giant pond that they have out here. They got quite a few little stop overlook passes. You can overlook. A couple of them have some game cameras up. Looks like they're doing a restoration project, trying to set this up for more of the wildlife out here. Kenzie, what'd you get for a snack? Some fruit snacks? Addie, what about you?
Andy's mints.
Andy's mints? Kaylin, you're not ready for a snack yet? No. Looks like
Can I try it?
the wife went for some kickin' dill pickle corn nuts.
Can I try it?
I'm going to my normal corn nuts, Mexican style street corn. Can't go wrong with these.
Looks like it's an overlook. Oh, man. Have more.
Oh, wow. You can see right over there where we started. We didn't make it too far, but halfway around the first bend. Cold yet?
Yeah.
Addie?
Really. Right.
Kensley, doing a snowball fight? You ready for your snack?
Yeah.
Let's see your custom made trail mix. What do we got going on here? It's Some Ritz crackers.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, pretzels, and what are those?
Vanilla wafers.
Vanilla wafers, and what else? What is the candy in there? Is that
Reese's
M&M?
Pieces.
Oh, Reese's Pieces. There you go. So walking through here, one of the first things I noticed was this tree. What does this tree remind you of?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter? Like the tree that the car got stuck into? Looks just like it. This trail is actually kind of interesting. So definitely plenty of views to see. But then at the same time, you're not too far away from seeing people's houses. So not a bad little day trip. I guess day hike if you want to go day hiking. But seems like every corner you turn around, there's houses as well. So maybe in the summertime when the woods has got all the leaves on the trees, it'll be a little bit prettier to see. But right now with all the leaves on the ground, you can just see right through into town out here in Bluffton. So my little wannabe through hiker has just about this entire time been in front of everybody. Well, Addison loves hiking. She is just excited to get to this bridge, but something tells me this might not be something we're going to be able to pass because it does look like it has quite a bit of snow on it. And the rope, yeah, it does have some ropes on it, but I'm not really sure if this is something we're going to be able to do. At least not in these conditions, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. You guys all ready for this?
Yeah.
Anybody scared yet?
Yeah. No.
All right. Let's make some interesting sounds. Everybody make sure you're holding on to the cables on the side. Makes this whole thing is shaking. And underneath us, frozen creek here. Makes you a little bit more nervous, but how you doing, Addie? A little bit good. Well, you're doing great. Well, you guys are all almost across except for, well, Kinsley and Mom. All right.
At least I handled that.
So they're still working their way across. And then, of course, like Addison, she's ready to keep going. So we're finishing up the trail. This trail is about just over 2.5 miles. I think it says it's 2.7. About 55 feet of elevation gain. Pretty cold today. Did you have fun at least?
Yeah.
Did you have fun at least? Addie?
Yeah.
Good.
Ask Kinsley.
All right.
Ask Kinsley.
Well, we're almost back to the car, so
Ask Kinsley.
we're going to get them all inside and bundled up because they seem to be pretty cold, but except for you?
Yeah.
But at least they all had a good time, right?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, so to wrap up the trail, since we're all finished, we have to see who the fastest person on the trail was. You guys are ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. I think they both cheated on that one. Looks like a tie to me. You guys both get first place. Well, everyone's back in the car, all finished. Still a good trip? Still worth it? Even though it's cold? There we go. There you go. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I guess if you want to see more videos like this, leave comments on where you want us to go. During the summertime, we do some more overnight hikes, not really these day hikes. I don't really take the kids out do the overnight hikes like the outdoor boys do, but stay tuned for the summer as it gets warmer out. So you guys can do some overnight hikes. You guys ready for those? Yeah! All right, everyone, say bye.